Hi UDOers! My project is based on the use of three sensors: accelerometer, magnetometer and gyroscope. To store the samples received from those sensors when the UDOO board is manually moved, linked in a structure.
Those samples are used in a feedback control system to drive servo motors to reproduce the same movements. To make the system easy to use, we can develop an Android application both on the Android UDOO part and on the smartphone that communicated through Bluetooth Low Energy. This application is used to manage the generation of the samples. The samples can be generated manually or you can download a file, for example from the internet, that have parameters already generated. Then, with the application, you can remotely choose an item and launch the automatic execution of this item, of this movement.
We can use the same system to directly control the movement of the UDOO board using the movement of the smartphone, for example in this way. Naturally, if I do a movement, for example in this way, but the UDOO board doesn't have the servo motor to follow this direction, then it doesn't move. To control this system, I will use gyroscope, accelerometer and magnetometer of the smartphone and send samples received from the movement of the smartphone in real time through Bluetooth Low Energy at the Android part of the UDOO board. Then, using the same system, we can control the servo motor to follow the movement of the smartphone. The structure can be a 3 degrees of freedom, or 6 degrees of freedom, or 9 degrees of freedom. It only depends on how many links you need. At the end of the project, we can use our UDOO board to do some useful stuff. Or we can do some art stuff.